Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify connect Airtable to Softr for client portals, full guide step by step clearly. To verify the connection between Airtable and Softr for client portals, begin by logging into your Softr account. Next, create a new Softr application or select an existing one where you want to integrate Airtable. Navigate to the Data section in the left sidebar of your Softr dashboard. Click on the Add a Data Source button. Select Airtable from the available options in the integrations list. You will be prompted to enter your Airtable API key. To find your API key, open a new tab and go to the Airtable account page. Copy your API key from there and return to your Softr setup. Paste the API key into the designated field in Softr. Now, you'll need the Airtable base ID to continue. Open Airtable and select the base you want to connect to. Go to the API section from the Airtable documentation to locate your base ID. Copy the base ID and head back to Softr. Paste the base ID into the appropriate field in the Softr integration settings. Once both the API key and base ID are entered correctly, click Verify. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that the connection is successful. If any issues arise, double-check your API key and base ID for accuracy. After successful verification, you can now configure your data source. Select the tables you want to use in your Softr application from the connected Airtable base. Customize your client portal by choosing the relevant fields to display. Finally, save your settings and refresh your Softr application to see the connected data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.